Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Dent coin, guys. Dent coin is a good coin for investment, but unfortunately now in a right now situation, not only Dent coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, a lot of the most fastest cryptocurrencies, the most profitable cryptocurrencies are going in the lows. Dent coin also going in the lows, guys. Anyways, guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update. So please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, guys. The right now price of Dent coin in the market is about 0.00499 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a Dent coin. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes occurs in the Dent coin. So now the last 1 hour change is about negative 1.76%. The last 1 day change is about positive 1.55%. Same like that, the last 1 week change is about negative 2.13%. Negative 2.13% the price dumps. Let me show you the price chart of a Dent coin. You can see here, guys, on 14th September, the price taken a huge bump. Just look here, guys. But unfortunately now in the latest situation, the last 4 hours the price start dumps. The price start falls, decrease. Negative 0.88% changes occur in the Dent coin in the last 1 week, and 0.005397 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Dent coin in the last 7 days, guys. Anyways, guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Dent coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.